Hi everybody, we're going to do a little quick tutorial here for you on how to access and input your Hear the Watchmen promotional discount codes. We get a lot of questions about that, so we're just going to go through this and see how it goes. What you want to do is just simply go to your browser and pull up our website, hearthewatchman.com, and then you're just going to go right over here to click here where it says complete details for Dallas. Once you get there, you want to go up here to the left-hand corner and you want to click on purchase tickets. That's going to take you to our Eventbrite site, which you see right here. And then you just go over here and you pick tickets. When the ticket comes up like that, you're going to say, oh, okay, so I want to buy this ticket here. But before you do that, you're going to go up here to enter promotional code. And I'm entering the promotional code of HTW20. Then click apply code. Now, when you go to purchase your ticket, you're going to click that, click one, okay, and you'll see that it's applied the discount right here. Just simply go to checkout and then proceed forward from there and fill out all the information completely. If you're buying two tickets, make sure I have both your information and your guest's information. Thanks so much. I hope this helps you out. We'll see you in Dallas, Texas, March 28th through the 31st. God bless. Yeah, I don't think it worked. We'll see.
Pretty girl. Pretty Layla.